I have a Maytag oven and the light doesn't turn off. How do I repair it or reset it to off?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Do you have a model number so I can better assist you? And the oven works completely normal except that the light won't turn off, correct?
Correct. Model number MU6530DDW. Oven worked fine, or worked fine today.
Perfect, thank you. So this oven has quite a few issues with the light switch, so I and number 39, am guessing you and number 39, going to have an issue with the light switch itself. There is a metal rod which goes through the upper right corner above the oven cavity and pushes back on a small micro switch. Now this switch often gets loose or the bracket holding the rod gets loose, and normally it just needs to be reinstalled properly with no parts needing to be replaced. But you and number 39, LL need to pull the oven out and remove the screws coming in from behind the control panel on the right and left side. Then the control panel will pull off to give you access to this light switch assembly. Now if you push back on the rod and it and number 39, S hitting the switch but the light just won and number 39, T turn off, the micro switch itself would just need to be replaced because it has failed. I and number 39, am afraid to say. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
How about if I just take the light bulb out altogether?
You can certainly do that, but the oven will never lock for self-cleaning until that switch issue is fixed. If you do remove the bulb, be sure to flip the circuit breaker off to the oven first or you will short out the control board.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.